Hello everyone, my name is Michael Carbone. I'm a business and immigration attorney in Staten Island, New York. Today I want to talk about whether you can convert an LLC, a limited liability company, into a PLLC, a professional service limited liability company in the state of New York. Now, before I dive into this topic, if you have any questions or you want to start a conversation, please drop a comment below. Otherwise, if you want to set up a formal legal consultation with me, please visit us at carboneattorneys.com. We have a button in the top right corner of our website. Click it, fill it out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So there's a good chance you made it to this video because you've set up an LLC in New York State and you found out that you actually needed to set up a PLLC. And so the question is, can I convert my LLC into a PLLC? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. The state of New York does not have a conversion process for converting LLCs into PLLCs. Now, the main reason for this is because in order to create a PLLC in the state of New York, part of that process requires you to get authorization from the New York State Education Department. So the Education Department licenses a ton of different professionals. So it ranges from CPAs to nurse practitioners to doctors and so on and so forth down the list. Now, in order for a professional who is professionally licensed by the Education Department to set up a PLLC, they will need to go through the Certificate of Authority process with the Education Department. We've covered this in a previous video, but ultimately it becomes a two-part process. You need the approvals, the Certificate of Authority from the Education Department, and then once you obtain those, you can go ahead with the normal process of filing with the Department of State. Now, whether it's due to government inefficiency or maybe this was set up intentionally this way, there's no conversion process. Other states in the US do have a conversion process. However, New York is not one of them. So when it comes to this situation that you're currently in, I want you to think more about dissolution and not conversion. Unfortunately, what you have now is an LLC that you cannot operate. Presumably, you are a professional, you are licensed by the Education Department, and you need to have a PLLC. So what you're going to have to do at this point is dissolve that LLC that's unusable at this point. So you want to go through the dissolution process, dissolve that LLC, and then start the PLLC process with the Education Department. So it's a short video. Unfortunately, there is no conversion process in New York State. So if you created an LLC, but you needed a PLLC, you will have to dissolve that business and start over with the Education Department and set up that PLLC properly. So that's it. That's the video. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and I'll keep making them.